Hello everyone, welcome to another Robinhood video. Now in this video I will show you how to transfer from Robinhood to another broker. I will actually show you how you can transfer from Robinhood to Fidelity because transferring to from Robinhood to another broker is different for each different brokers, right? So for example, if you want to go and transfer from Robinhood to Trading 212, right? It's going to be different than transferring to Fidelity from Robinhood, right? So I'm going to show you this, how you can do it. So first of all, if you want to initiate a transfer, you will need to log in into your Fidelity account. For example, this is another broker, right? So you'll probably need to log in into another broker as well, or create an account on another broker that you want to transfer to, right? Then you will need to click transfer along the top menu after logging in on Fidelity. So this is, by the way, for Fidelity, right? I'm just kind of showing you this so that you can replicate the process on other brokers as well. Then you need to select transfer an account to Fidelity. Probably on your other brokers you will have this option as well to transfer an account to that broker, right? Then choose the brokerage account you would like to move to Fidelity. Use the search bar to type in Robinhood, right? Then you enter in Robinhood account number, and then you will be asked if you would like to move your Robinhood assets into a new Fidelity account or an existing account, right? Next, you will need to indicate whether this is a full account transfer or partial. Do you want to move everything or just a few stocks? You can obviously choose from there, right? And then finally, you will be asked to upload a recent Robinhood statement for faster processing. Now, again, this can be different for each brokers, as I said. But it comes down pretty much the same, right? You will need to contact or log in into another broker that you want to transfer your funds to, and then you will need to obviously get your Robinhood account number and obviously upload your Robinhood statement for faster processing. As you can see, Fidelity has that option where you can go and click transfer an account to Fidelity. For other brokers, they probably have that option as well, which you can use to transfer your funds to, right? This is basically how to do it. Now, if you want to know more, definitely go to Robinhood and go to support and try to contact their support. That will probably make the process a little bit easier for you if you have not done this process before. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.